See, now if she starts to get faint or her pulse ox goes below 92, put her back to bed. And then she'll be so.
Okay, like these ladies.
Welcome in Nepal and in us.
Thank you. Namaste. Hello, Akita.
Kira.
The first op walks is spring of 2020. How does it feel to be back here in Nepal?
Oh, it's terrific. I mean, the energy of the local group is the best we've seen. The preparation is by far the best we've seen. They've really gotten everything together. It's a reflection of how experienced they've become and how committed they've become. It's really going to make the ability for us to get the job done much, much easier.
And this is for IV fluid. And then tomorrow morning surgery.
This is really important for us. Number one, this kind of services increases. Makes hospital more familiar to the public, and the service itself, arthroplasty service itself, becomes more familiar with the Nepali population. Number two is this will enhance the skills of our surgeons, doctors, nurses, even paramedics.
अनि